Hi everyone, this is Sarah and I'm going to be demoing my Log2Layout gem for you today. So by day I work as a textbook editor, and something that I do frequently is work with Excel spreadsheets. Now my authors send in these lists of images that they want to use in their books, and it's up to my team and I to kind of go through and manually download these files. So as you can imagine, when we have books that have upwards of 500 figures, this takes quite a long time, so I wanted to automate that process for us. So I'm going to show you a couple ways my gem can be used. So we're going to start off simply by passing it an argument, and I will paste that in. And this is going to be the location of the Excel spreadsheet file that I want my gem to read. And as you can see, it starts scraping and downloading these images for us. Now I'm going to interrupt that really quickly because I want to show you the guts of the gem, as it were. Quickly delete this file here. Alright, so we're going to open up IRB, and what we're going to do here is we are going to require the gem. Great, so we're booking. Alright, so we're going to create an Excel processor object, and what that's going to do is it's going to open up and connect to our spreadsheet for us. So again, I'm going to go ahead and paste in the location of my image log, as we call it. And next, I'm going to actually read the data from it with the read spreadsheet method. So it returns nil, but if we open up the image log variable, instance variable that is, we will see that it's populated with the figure numbers and their links, which is most of the information we need. So next we're going to create an image scraper object, and we're going to pass it the information from that object we just created for the Excel processor. So we're going to pass it that actual log and then the location. And we pass it the location because the next thing we're going to do is create our directory. And as you can see, our image directory just popped up right over here. So finally, our last step is we are going to actually scrape the images. So we call scrape, and it starts downloading the images one by one. Now, a couple things to note here. It is a little slow, and that's because it's looking for the highest resolution file. It's designed to seek whatever is the original file for download, which is what we need for printing. A couple other things is that it renames the figures to be consistent. So they're all kind of lowercase, have dashes between the numbers, which helps us navigate the files and stay organized. And if something goes wrong, like you see here with this last one, we found a nil row, which just means it was empty. It just lets you know that something went wrong, but it also doesn't stop the process. It keeps going. At this, it came at the end here, so that's why it's doing that. So that's kind of the basics of the gem. And if you open up the file, you'll see that we got our images here. Looking fantastic. And then there's also a scraper summary log if you are into that kind of thing and you want to look it over. So this is working just for wiki images right now, and there's a couple kind of bugs I'm still working out, and I hope to expand it to kind of just general website image scraping and kind of methods for handling duplicate errors and that sort of thing. But this is my kind of basic start. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy. Thank you.